In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop follow requests on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So a lot of you guys will know is once you are on Instagram and you start following people you have an interest in, whether that's a celebrity, an online influencer, or whatever it may be, people will start following you in order to try and get you to look at their account and then follow them back, for example. So if I come over to my Instagram now and I show you that I have got follow requests here, if I go to this little love art icon, what you can see is that people have tried to follow me in the last couple of minutes, and that is because I was following people on Instagram that have a large follower base, and they are trying to obviously get traction to their own page. But the thing is with this is it's quite difficult because Instagram don't offer a certain setting to say that you don't want this to happen. So the only thing that you can do to stop follow requests is if you leave these pages here and you don't click on delete, what that will allow you to do is it will allow you to not have these same accounts follow you again. It is a little bit annoying that you will end up with a lot of Instagram pages on this list here, but this is the only way you can go ahead and stop people sending you follow requests because they won't be allowed to send you a follow request a second time. So that's the only way you can go ahead and do this. If this video helped you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.